Some of these cars haven't moved in decades. One has no engine, one barely has a floor, and one is still running like nothing ever happened. Let's take a closer look. Number 1. 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $1,400, Fresno, California. This is where things get interesting right away. The 1964 Thunderbird was never meant to be a cheap car. When it came out, this was personal luxury at its finest. Long hood, short rear deck, hidden headlights, and that unmistakable Thunderbird presence. This was a car built for quiet confidence, not speed. And now, here it sits. Finished in blue, and from the seller's description, still completely original. That matters more than people realize. Original cars tell honest stories. They haven't been taken apart, modified beyond recognition, or turned into someone else's unfinished vision. The seller says it runs. That alone is surprising at this price point. Hearing an original Thunderbird fire up after all these years is something special. These cars typically came with a 390 cubic inch V8, producing smooth, effortless torque. Not aggressive, just strong and steady. But there are realities here. The driver's side floorboard is rusted out. That's structural. That's not cosmetic. That means real metalwork ahead. And there's no paperwork, only a bill of sale. That changes the path forward depending on your state and your patience. Still, at $1,400, you're not buying perfection. You're buying potential. You're buying one of Ford's most iconic personal luxury cars at a price that barely buys an engine these days. This is the kind of car someone parked years ago, always meaning to come back to, and never did. Number 2. 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, $3,000, Mountain Center, California. This one feels completely different. This Beetle isn't abandoned, it's alive. Finished in brown, wearing its age honestly, but underneath, something important has already happened. The engine has been rebuilt and upgraded to a 1776cc. That's a noticeable step up from the original 1500cc these cars came with in 1967. More power, better drivability, still simple. The seller says it runs and drives great. That alone makes this one stand apart from many projects. New rear tires, new carburetor professionally adjusted, new fuel lines, new throttle cable. Someone was maintaining this car, not neglecting it. And it shows. The 1967 Beetle is also a significant year historically. It was the first year for the 12-volt electrical system in US Beetles. That means easier starting, brighter lights, and more practical usability today. There is a small transmission leak. Nothing unusual in a car of this age. The important part is that it still shifts smoothly. Clean title, current registration through May 2026. This isn't a rescue mission. This is a usable classic that still carries the mechanical honesty that made Beetles famous. Simple, durable, still working.
Number 3. 1963 Chevrolet Impala 4-door, $6,900, Mission Hills, California. Here's a 1963 Chevrolet Impala 4-door hardtop, patina car. No engine, no transmission, no title. But it's complete inside, all glass intact, nice factory chrome and trim, posi rear end, Canadian frame, grille guard, bumper guards, gas door guard. Seller says it will be sold on rollers, not the wheels shown in the ad. Now, 63 Impalas are popular. Even 4-doors have value because of trim, interior parts, and rear ends. At $6,900, the price reflects the accessories and parts. This is either a serious restoration start or a very valuable parts car. Number 4. 1966 Pontiac Tempest 4-door hardtop, $3,500, Murrieta, California. A 1966 Pontiac Tempest 4-door hardtop with a 326 V8 and automatic. Not running, not driving, brakes don't work, needs to be towed. Bill of sale only, title lost and out of DMV system. Seller says very minimal rest, nice patina, and comes with some new parts. The 326 Pontiac V8 is a solid small block from the era. But let's be honest, paperwork and non-running status put this firmly in project category. $3,500 means someone sees potential in it. Number 5. 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, $15,500, Huntington Beach, California. Now something more sorted. a 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, 350 small block, M20 wide ratio Muncie 4-speed, power steering, power brakes, 4-wheel drums. New BF Goodrich tires, new brake master cylinder, Holley carb, new distributor, Edelbrock coil, gas tank relined. Seller even has 2-inch lowering springs. This is a driver, a real muscle-era utility car. 67 is a desirable year, Chevelle-based platform. At $15,500, it's priced above project money, but this one sounds like something you can enjoy immediately.
Number 6. 1968 Plymouth Satellite 2-door hardtop, $5,500, Fresno, California. This is where real project territory begins. The Plymouth Satellite shares its platform with the legendary Roadrunner and GTX. Same B-body structure, same proportions, same potential. But this one is stripped of its drivetrain. No engine, no transmission. What remains is the foundation. The body is mostly straight. Quarter panels and rear frame rails have already been replaced. That's major structural work already completed. A brand new floor pan is included but not installed. That tells you the next step is clear. The interior still has life. The dash is intact, the door panel survived. Even the rear seat remains in good condition. This is not a lost cause. This is a paused restoration. Someone started the hard work already. Now it's waiting. Number 7. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle, $2,250, Santan Valley, Arizona. This one is honest and unfinished. No engine. But the body is solid. Arizona climate helped preserve it. Surface rust only, no severe corrosion mentioned. It comes with new BRM wheels, front disc brake conversion, new wiring harness included. These details matter because they represent progress already made. The Beetle is one of the simplest cars ever built. That simplicity makes it approachable, restorable, forgiving. This one isn't running, but it's far from gone. Number 8. 1965 Volkswagen Beetle Project, $6,200, Rosamond, California. This one sits somewhere in between. It runs, it drives, but it's still a project. Powered by a 1600cc engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. All gears working, according to the seller. Interestingly, it sits on a later 1970 chassis pan. That's not uncommon. Volkswagen's modular design made swaps like this straightforward. These cars evolve over time. They change hands, they change parts, but they keep going. Number 9. 1961 Volkswagen Baja Bug, $5,000, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This one tells a different kind of story. The Baja Bug was never about originality. It was about survival. Built to handle dirt, trails, and open desert. This example has a rebuilt 1600cc dual-port engine. It runs, it starts, it moves. Modified with exposed rear engine layout and off-road stance. This isn't a restoration candidate. This is a usable classic with personality.
Number 10. 1964 Volkswagen Beetle, $7,500, Visalia, California. Last one, a 1964 Volkswagen Beetle, manual transmission. Running and stopping, clean title, tagged. Dual carb 1600, CB Performance Magna Spark 2 distributor, possibly aftermarket cam, loud custom exhaust. No rust except minor surface areas. Cons: leaking pushrod tubes, new ones included. Needs new wiring harness due to no turn signals. $7,500 OBO. This is a hot rod-styled Beetle that needs tuning and finishing. A fun project you can drive while you sort it out.
That's 10 more classic cars and project cars for sale. From a $1,400 Thunderbird to a Mopar B-body shell, multiple air-cooled Volkswagens, and a real deal 67 El Camino. Some have titles, some don't. Some run, some are just good foundations. If you enjoy real-world classic cars for sale, the affordable ones, the unfinished ones, stick around. More classic cars and project cars coming in the next video. And if you appreciate honest project listings like these, go ahead and subscribe. We'll keep digging.